What do we have in the question 3? Is it interior angle or exterior angle in the question 3? The one.
Exterior.
Okay, if exterior angle, how many degree it will be in total?
360.
Okay, so the total of exterior will always be 360. So I can write 360 will be equals what plus what plus what, yeah? Which one that I have to plus it, then make it equals to 360? Which number?
X.
Okay, x, and then I plus it with
X plus X
how many
plus
x? Okay, wait, sorry.
40.
It's the same.
5X times A plus 40.
Is it okay if I directly write it as 5x? Is there anyone will get confused?
No.
No. Okay, then I will directly write it. 360 is equals to 5x plus by how many?
40.
40.
So
Okay. So later the 40 will move to the other side. It will be equals to how many?
360 minus 40
Okay, 360 minus 40. I write it as 220. Okay. So the x it will be equals to 64. Is there anyone get confused?
No.
No. Okay, so if we only have to find the value of x, so it is finished. Now let us continue to this question. Which one that you want to do it first, the exterior or the interior?
Exterior.
Yeah, we do the exterior first. The exterior, so 360 will be equals to how many x are there in total?
6X.
Okay, 6x plus
90.
huh?
90.
90. Okay, is there anyone get confused? Because this is exterior, we take the exterior only. Exterior is the angle outside. So we only take this one, the x plus 20, and then the x plus 5, the x plus 50, and then also the x plus 25. When we simplify it, it will be equals to 6x plus 90. Is there anyone get confused? Sujoyo, can you please stop playing with all of your camera? Just try to listen properly, please, Sujoyo. Okay. If you have no difficulties, let us simplify how many x it will be. What number it will be for the x?
4.
Any 4? Is it 4? No,
Oh.
I don't think it is 4. 360 minus with 90, it will be equals to 6x. Then how many it will be?
X equal 45.
X is equals to how many?
40.
40?
45.
45, okay. Because I do not hear the voice properly. Is there anyone have difficulties or getting confused?
No.
Really?
No.
Okay. If you have
Yes,
no
it's
difficulties, let us find the letter A, B, C, D, E. How many degree is angle A? How many degree is angle A? Anyone want to help me?
135.
180 minus 45.
Okay, how many it will be?
135.
Okay, anyone get confused?
130.
Yes, correct. Wait a minute. From here, okay, it will be 135 for the A. Okay, good job. Is there anyone get confused for the A? How to get 135? Is there anyone get confused? No. If no one get confused, let us find the B. How many degree is B?
55.
180 minus 50.
B
125.
okay, 125.
125.
Okay, 125. Is there anyone get confused?
No.
If you are getting confused, you can
C.
tell me. You can type it to the chat box or just tell me anything. Okay. Let us continue to the C. How many degree is C?
130.
Okay, good job. Is there anyone get confused why it is 130?
No.
No. And then how many degree is D?
110.
110. Okay. What about the E?
85.
Okay. Is there anyone get confused so far? Is there anyone get confused so far? Or maybe I go too fast? Is there anyone get confused? No? Okay, if no one get confused, let us continue to the other one. Okay, if no one get confused, I will continue to the circle properties. Please pay attention for the circle properties because in the IGCS equation, the mark for the circle properties will be a lot, like at least 6 for the in the IGCS equation. So please kindly pay attention. If you have any difficulties, you can tell me, when you can interrupt me when I'm explaining. It's okay, rather than you keep your queries for yourself. This is the question about the circle theorems. In here, we are going to talk about the angles in the circle. Whenever we have an angle and then the angle is opposite to or the angle is inside the semicircle, the angle it will be always 90 degree. In here it will be always 90 degree. When this is, can you see, the angle B will always be 90 degree as long as the point A and point C, when I make a line, it will be the diameter. And then later, as we know that the OA and OB are radius, so later there will be so many isosceles triangle inside the circle. So for this case, you have to look at the question properly, try to collect whatever properties of circle that you have. But is there anyone have question for this one? I think it will, if you have no question, I'll continue to the example question from your textbook. It will be easier if we discuss it with a question. So is there any right angle in this picture? Is there any right angle in the question one?
Yes.
Yes, which one it will the right angle? There is the one that is opposite to the diameter. It will be always 90 degree. So here I already have 90 degree at this place. If a triangle in total will be equals to how many degree? If a triangle?
180.
180. So how do we find the value of x?
60.
60. Okay, is there anyone get confused how to get 60? Is there anyone get confused to get 60?
No.
No one get confused? Okay, if no one get confused, continue to question 2. If question 2, before I find the x, how many degree is it in the angle next to x? How many degree it will be, the
45.
angle next to x? How many?
45.
Okay, 45. So the x, it will be equals to how many for the x?
135.
Okay, is there anyone get confused?
No.
If you are getting confused, feel free to ask me any question. Okay, if you have no question, let us continue to question 3. How many degree is angle x? Or maybe before we move to the angle x, you can find the angle next to 110. How many degrees is it?
35.
No. 70 is
Seven.
beside
Going to
110.
question 3. Question 3.
70.
70, right? It will be 70. And then is there any right
25.
angle? So the x, it will be how many?
Yes.
The x is how many? 30?
30.
Are you sure 30?
Wait. What?
20.
20, not
20,
30.
20.
Yeah,
Right.
20. Correct. Is there anyone get confused?
No.
No. Okay, if no one get confused, let us continue. Yeah, I'm reading the chat, but I'm not replying anything to the chat. Okay, let us continue for question 4. For the question 4, anyone want to help me? How many degrees angle X? As you can see, this is a parallel. When it is a parallel, you can make, when it is like this Z shape, there is a letter Z as you can see. So it
Okay.
means an alternate angle. The angle X will be equals to this part. So how many degrees angle X?
32.
30?
Two.
Okay, is there anyone get confused how to get 32? If you are getting confused, feel free to ask. It will be better for me if you ask so many questions rather than you stay quiet and then choose to not doing the homework later on because you don't understand anything. Is there anything still confusing? The one that I put a green circle, it will be 90, and then in a triangle the total will be 180. So 180 minus 90 minus 58, it will be equals to 32, and because this is the alternate angles, the x will be 32 degree also. Is there anyone get confused? No one really?
Sure, if have 90 degrees, easy lah, sir. If
Yeah,
don't
okay
have
then.
90 degrees, hard.
Oh yeah, because this is just I collect all the question that follow the theorem. Every angle that face to the diameter inside the circle, it will be always 90 degree. I just try to remind you that point. That's why I'll give this question that is similar. Okay, can I move to question 5? Okay, anyone want to help me to find the angle in here, the one that I put a green mark, how many degree it will be? You can type it through the chat or unmute yourself. I'm reading the chat. I just do not I just do not type for the reply. I will just directly say
70.
something for the replay. How many?
70.
Okay, is there anyone get confused? Why is it 70? Is there anyone get confused? Why is it 70? No one? Okay, if no one get confused, so it means if it is 70, then how many degree is x? Co-interior angle,
100.
interior angle. It's not 100. Okay, you focus on the triangle only. I told you focus on the triangle. The angle opposite to the diameter, it will be always 90 degree. And then the triangle, the total will be equals to 180. 180 minus
X
20 minus 20,
110.
it will be 70. Okay. Yes,
X equals
Jasmine?
110.
Yeah, the x will be equals to 110 because the co-interior angle in total will be equals to 180. Already get the 70, so it means the x it will be equals to 110. Is there anyone get confused? Or if you get confused, you can do in the other way. As you can see, there is a corresponding angle in here. The one that make like letter F. This is will be corresponding. This one is like letter F, right? So this is 90 degree. So this small one will be also 90 degree. When you know it is 90 degrees, so in this small part, it will be 70 degree. Straight line in total will make 180. So if this one 70, the other part will be 110. Is there anyone get confused or do not understand? Is there anyone?
Teacher,
Yes,
teacher.
Nico?
So that means if it's like the teacher always 90 degree, if F like that.
No, if F is not always 90 degree, F it means equal. If this first one is 90, so the other one will be 90. If the first one 30, the other one will be 30. That is for the F. F it means the angle will remain the same as the previous one. But it will not always be 90. In this case, why is it 90? Because I told you whatever angle, as long as it is face to the diameter, it will always equals to 90 degree. This is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. That's it. Is there anything have difficulties or getting confused? Yes, the 70 you can get it by 180 minus 20 minus 90. You get 70. Is there anyone get confused? Is there anyone who get confused?
No, sir.
No, really? Okay. If no one get confused, sorry for the noise. I'm at school and then there is a graduation preparation, so there is a bit noise.
Who's
Sorry.
graduation?
Yes.
Sorry,
Sorry, Hugo.
who's graduation? Like which grade?
Grade 12.
Grade 6
Yeah,
graduation.
grade 6 and grade 12 will be having a
No.
graduation.
Grade 12 is tomorrow.
Yeah, noise for grade 6. Yes. Okay,
Six.
anyone want to help me to find the angle X? Or maybe before we find the angle X, can you tell me which part it will be the 90 degree?
X 22.5.
How many?
22.5 X.
You sure? Okay, maybe this one first that I give a green mark, how many degree? For those who are getting confused still, for the green mark that I put a green
Just
mark, how many degree it will be?
90.
90, okay. This is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, so it means the other one will be equal. So just do 100. It will be how many? This and this, the one that I
45.
put blue. How many? 45 or 55 or
45.
45? It will be 45.
45.
Okay, this is also 45. So next to 45, it will be how many degree next to 45?
135.
Okay,
135.
135. When it is 135, this is also an isosceles triangle, right? So how many degrees is the x?
22.5.
Anyone get confused? Is there anyone get confused? How to get the
Teacher,
22.5? Yes.
where does the 135 come from?
If a straight line in total, how many degree, Nico?
180.
Yeah, I already have the 45. So just do 180 minus 45. It will be equals to 135. Or are you still
Oh,
getting confused? When it is a straight line, it always be 180. Okay, is there anyone having question about finding the 22.5? No one get confused? No one? Okay. If no one get confused, I will move to the other things. Okay, this is we already learned it last time. When there is a radius and also a tangent line, it will make how many degree? 90 degree, right? The radius and tangent line will always make 90 degree. And then this is when we have two tangent line and they meet in a one point. So it means the length AP and length BP, it will be equal. And later the angle they will make an isosceles triangle. I think it will be better if I directly move to the example. This is the example. Can you see where is the 90 degree in this question? There is a 90 degree angle. In which part is it?
Beside 55.
Yeah, beside 55, it will always make 90 degree because radius and tangent line will always make 90 degree. So how many degree is x?
35.
35. Oh, you don't know what is tangent line? Okay. If you don't know what is a tangent line is a line that only touching a circle. So this line is touching a circle. This is, I call it as a tangent line. This is also tangent line. This one is also tangent line. All the line that touch the circle or go through the circle with only one point and do not cut the circle, we call it as tangent line. Is there anyone still getting difficulties or getting confused? Is there anyone? Is there anyone get confused?
No.
No.
No. Okay. Radius is always from the center to the corner of the circle. We call it as radius. So this is his radius. The red line, this is we call it as radius. And also even the green line, we call it as radius. This is also radius. From the center to the corner of the circle, we call it as radius. So radius and tangent line will always make 90 degree. Is there anyone get confused? No? Okay, if no one get confused, let us continue to question 2. In the question 2, anyone want to help me to find how many degree is x?
30.
Are you sure? Are you sure? I disagree if you answer 30.
60.
Yes, it will be 60. Thank you. How to get 60? This is in this part, it will be 60, right? Can you see the green number that I made? This is in this part, it will be equals to 60. Why is it 60? Because radius and tangent line will always make 90 degree. So in a triangle, in total, it will be equals to 180. 180 minus 30 minus 90, it will be equals to 60. After that, as I told you, this and this are equal. This and these are so equal because they are radius. So it means the angle in this part, this is will be equals to 30. So the x will be the rest, which is equals to 60. Is there anyone get confused? Is there anyone get confused? It's okay to interrupt me when you have any difficulties when I'm explaining during the online class. So I know that I know which one that making you confused or which part that you are still having doubt. Rather than you stay quiet and do not say anything. Is there anyone still having any difficulties?
No.
No?
Oh.
Okay. If no one get no difficulties, let us move to the other question. All the question is taken from your textbook. So you can check your textbook.
Page.
Yeah, all the question I took it from your textbook. Maybe page 330 something. I do not remember. I don't bring the textbook now. Okay. Later, let us if you have no difficulties, let us continue to question 3. How many degrees angle X?
40.
How many?
40.
Okay. Is there anyone get confused how to get 40?
Um,
Is there anyone get confused? Is there anyone get confused how to get 40? No, for sure. Okay, if you have no difficulties, then I will not explain the step to find 40 in the question 3. Okay, if you have no difficulties, let us continue to question 4. For the question 4, how many degree is angle X?
45.
45.
Okay, is there anyone get confused?
Um,
No, for sure. If you have difficulties, feel free to ask any question. We only have like 3 minutes left before the class finish. Is there anyone have difficulties? It is an isosceles triangle because there is these two sign. It means an isosceles, and also remember radius and tangent line will always make 90 degree. Okay, no question? If no question, I will move to question 5. Okay. For question 5, how many degree is angle X? Anyone want to try to answer?
90.
Are you sure?
90.
It's not 90. 90 is
24.
the one from the radius to the tangent line, it will be 90. This one is 90. Start from here to here is 90, but the x is not 90. Okay. This and this are equal, right? So it means
24.
in here this is will be 24. Right? Agree? Or is there anyone disagree?
Mm,
Okay, before I continue, maybe you can help me to find this part. How many degrees is that part? How many degrees is that part? If I focus on the big triangle, focus on this big
56.
triangle. How many degree is that green part the green part? How many degrees is it?
66.
66. Okay, anyone get confused to get 66?
No.
Is there anyone? Okay, will be 66. When you know it is 66 and then is a triangle. Can you see the small triangle? The small triangle, if it is a triangle, in total will make how many degree? Just focus on this small triangle. Will make a right angle triangle in this part. So how many degrees angle X?
180.
No, a triangle total is 180. The one that
24.
how many?
24.
Yes, it will be 24 for the X. Thank you. Is there anyone get confused?
No.
Really, for sure?
Yes.
Okay. If you have no difficulties for the question 6, please kindly do it at home. It will be your homework for the question 6. You said you have no difficulties. In later, maybe I will give you another question from the student assessment. Later, I will mention it through the Google Classroom. So later, please be active on the Google Classroom. Okay, I think that's all for today's class. Good morning and thank you, students.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay,
Dadah,
bye.
baca.